Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Another healing hikes. So yeah, we gotta walk through the city streets. We out here, man. I'll take you to Runyon Canyon. I go catch this sunrise, man. It's one of the best houses for Halloween. They always keep the good decorations. And they come out here and get out here early. They put them up. Good stuff. It's a blessing to live so close to this. I used to hike, but man, damn, man. I wish I lived around here. Now look at me. It's dark. All you can see is my teeth. It's pretty creepy. Look at this. Oh man, it's intense. City lights on. I'm gonna do it. Feels so good. Probably like a brisk, like 65. It's nice though. Change from the heat I usually be in. Let me get up this mountain, man, so I can show y'all. Blessings. So nice. Olfactory notes. Scents of juniper. Sage again. With subtle notes of dog poop. Subtle notes. Subtle. I come the way I come, pause, because the other way is literally riddled with dog piss and poop everywhere. And that's the main entrance. I don't know what it is, but I can't do that entrance. But I'll go out that way to show y'all. For you, it's the main entrance. I come through the back. Right here. That's where we going. We're here, we're going there. Good morning. Hey, hey. Feel good to get out of view from how I'm seeing it right now. Almost there. One more little curb, and we there. I tell you, man, this morning, it took me a lot to get out and actually get out here and do this. I was making excuses like, oh, I need to edit. I gotta get some rest because I gotta work tomorrow. Got things to do this afternoon. Nope. I looked at my subscribers, I looked at my views, and I was like, no, there's no way I can't bring y'all this, man. I'm up this early for a reason. So let me make it purposeful. And so, look, I'm almost done. The hard part is almost over. And my body kicked in with my mind, and it's nothing. So we just gonna keep going. Healing hikes.
Pace 21 minutes 54 seconds per mile.
Nothing. I mean, that could be something, but I don't know. I ain't gonna do the math, but this is nothing. I'm up here in 21 minutes. It's nothing. So yeah, we at that first point I pointed at when I was down there. We did it. Oh shit. They was waving. funny, man. We did it, dog. We gotta go over here and get this view right here. Oh God. Man. The clouds over top and the Hollywood sign. And we got this little guy right here. Look at his little tail. What are you eating? Man, the way the clouds, it's amazing. Try to go slow to get. You know where that is. We've been there. I took y'all there to the Hollywood sign. The way all of this is happening is insane, man. You can hear the rooster. So nice. Can't believe it. Everybody's still waking up. We already up. Early in the morning, I'ma be up. I'ma be up. Zoe gonna be up. Which one? Any one of these? In the comments, let me know. You could be like, oh, I want the red one. Or just be like, oh, I want the red one at such and such seconds. Or this one. This one look like Tony Stark type stuff. Oh, that was a crazy mosquito on my finger. Sorry for breathing like that, y'all. Oh, man. I seen the blood in his body. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know in the comments which one you want. Let's zoom in a little bit more. What about these ones? This one? Go down some. Look. I don't know. You choose. Look at that one. That's that one. Oh, and you can see the clouds. You can live there. I'll be first to tell you, dog, something is going on right around these areas, this part, because it was mosquitoes crazy. And I'm not sure if I got bit. But one landed on my hand so fast, and he was so full of blood. He was just so thirsty. Like, why? You was already full of blood. I could see the blood. And you still had something. You was still hungry, thirsty, whatever the hell is classified. But I ain't messing with them drinks. We need some more mosquito predators out here to stop the mosquito population, because it didn't used to be mosquitoes, and now it's mosquitoes, and they running rampant. Kill the mosquitoes. Clouds coming over the top. For the sun, waiting for the sun, waiting for the sun. Here, now look, completely getting covered with the clouds. So much clouds, you can't even see downtown right now. But you usually can. It all go away though. This whole little band of clouds go away soon. Call it the marine layer. First little bit of it right there. Yo. We did it. Made it for the sunrise. Now it's time to get down and enjoy our Sunday. See? Suns, multiple suns. It's all down from here. Let's get it. It's easy part. Thanks for joining me, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We going down. I'm keep y'all with me though. Let's see how the rest of this is. Look at that. Another one. What up, buddy? Eating. Go out here. Doing it, man. I got the selfie stick pulled out. Pause. It's craziness. I'm just going to delete that. That is not, it's just, wow. Yeah, bro. Morning. Right. It's the little hard part right here. But it's easy though. Then you just get down here. It's nothing. The rest of it. And I can tell you we did it. That's it. Is that a dog butt? I think it was. Ooh, it's a drop. Hey. See, yeah. See, so I usually don't like to go down in those steps because it's like they too spread out. It's not good for your knees. So I go this way, down the side, like this, away from the steps. I think the steps are better for when you're going up, but these are better for me. I'm going down. The same shimmy from the other day. Same shimmy. See, but then it gets dicey over here. Shout out Dice. Shout out Dice. Shout out Dice. Spread out evenly so you can do it better. Hey, what up? How you doing? Good morning. Gotcha. Enjoy. Now you can do it, but then you got to step like this, like those. That's not how steps work. But whatever. We down. it down, y'all. Morning, enjoy. Now down, even ground. Bring it around town. You can tell the city up because you hear the sirens. Hey, up. Thanks for coming with me. You got a little bit ways to go to get to the front part where I told you it smelled like dog pee at, but I'm gonna take you there. Let's get that sun on my skin. Light skin eyes. Stuck to it. Stuck to the G. Gotta stick to that G, man. Stick to that G. Can't wait, man. This little pickleball place. My voice echoes right here. Healing hikes. I understand, cause I just be walking the trails, smiling, man, like this. You're like, dog, he's smiling with his eyes, and his mouth. That's because, dog, this shit bring me so much joy, dog. Like, oh man, it's so good. I don't want to keep rapping up about that, but I'm gonna keep saying it though, because it is a blessing to be able to do this every day, to have the dexterity, physical endurance, wherewithal, just all of them words. Let's continue to do this. So I'm gonna just keep doing it. So many more places to go. Got little hikes, long hikes, big hikes, short hikes, all the hikes. I'm just gonna do them all. And that's it. You gotta do it. Enjoy your day. And that's it, man. That's how you do it. I'm not out here talking to myself. I got subscribers. Boom. Right now, it'd be kind of a little awkward when I walk past people, but pretty soon, they gonna be like, oh, that's the healing hikes guy. And they gonna wanna walk with me and be in my videos. I promise you, it's gonna happen. It's a woodpecker. The one with the red head, and you can see him actually doing it. Surprisingly, the olfactory notes are pretty good right here, where I thought it would be kind of like not, but right here is fine. We'll see when I get down to the entrance area, but it might be okay because the sun ain't really baking it yet. So I noticed if you get out here early, you might not smell it. But that's the thing that I was talking about. Everything smells different in different, temperatures and different variables and stuff. Trying to see. Thought I heard one of them parrots in there. Yeah. All right, like I said, it ain't that bad. When you get out here early, y'all have a nice day, man. Enjoy. Good morning. Yeah, when you get out here early, it's not that bad. The sun ain't baking it. So yeah, it's good though. What's up, man? Blessings, man. Beautiful. I'm okay, man. Thank you. Blessings. Out here, man. So yeah, let me show y'all the way down. It's a good Sunday, man. Let's get out here. Did it. another healing hike. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're still going up crazy, man. Crazy numbers. Appreciate y'all. We're gonna keep bringing y'all this positivity, this healing. And yeah, enjoy y'all day, morning, noon, night, all of that vibe. What's up, brother? And enjoy yourself, man. Blessings. Healing hikes.